In today's video, I'm going to show you how to vectorize an image in Affinity Designer. So first start opening up the Affinity app and also open up your image. You can directly drag it to your canvas. Now once the image is opened up, click on the vector menu, then click on image trace. Here you'll have these two settings, the edge threshold and the curve fitting tolerance. All you have to do is adjust this until your image lines look smooth and click on the apply button. Now in the right menu under the layers section, you can actually see this group layers by clicking on this button and you can see the outlines that was made from your image. You can also apply these layers for your project. And just by that, we have now successfully vectorized an image using Affinity. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!